training and skills development. Everyone wants to have a successful career, but what do you think it takes to have one? To me, living to your fullest potential is crucial. It's not enough just to remain the same. You constantly need to improve. The key to living to your fullest potential in the business world is by training and skills development. Till about a second ago, you probably thought, now why is Rein using the words training and skills development? Surely they must be the same thing. No, let me tell you something. There is often a huge misconception about these two very different words. You see, on the one hand, the word training basically means you have the necessary and specific skills required to be able to perform your job. For example, Mr. Kearney being informed of any new syllabus changes to be able to adapt and teach us what is required. On the other hand, skills development are skills or attitudes that every employee should have, compared to training, which is very job specific. An example of this would be Mr. Kearney having the correct time and management skills to finish his burger before class and not when he is actually supposed to be teaching. Where this differs from training is that this would not only count for a business teacher, but for the whole staff team, from the very top to the very bottom. Although these factors might sometimes be seen as a waste of time and money, it is definitely crucial in our ever-changing and fast-paced world of today. To ensure an effective program of training and skills development, a 5-step program has been set up. As seen in the diagram above, I will be explaining it just now. Step 1 entails identifying the skills required to perform at maximum strength. Step 2 then basically just involves looking at the training resources that are available and deciding whether the program should be done inside the business or be outsourced somewhere else. Step 3 then requires one to actually design the physical program and setting clear objectives of where the employee should be after completing the program. A decision regarding what a training program should be used is also made in this step. This can range from lectures to self-studies to even a buddy system. After that comes step 4, where you physically implement your program and obtain your results. Lastly, you get step 5. This involves evaluating your program and seeing if it has actually produced results and improved overall productivity. Thereafter, you would need to make the necessary changes. To recap, in this lesson you have learned about the difference between training and skills development, and also the 5 steps one should follow when designing a skills development program. Thank you very much.